Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at polynomial addition. First of all, what is a polynomial? Well, when you have terms like this, 6x squared and 4x is a term and negative the subtraction of 2 is a term, all of them put together is called a polynomial. And in Greek, the word poly, the word poly, this word here means many, and the word nomial means really name. Okay, so polynomial really means more than one, and then more than one term is what we have here, and that's why we call this a polynomial. Okay, the second observation, if there is no sign in front of the bracket right here, then we can assume that there is a plus 1 here. We can assume that, okay? But because it is not needed to be written, we're not going to write that, okay? And so when you have a plus here, plus 1, and here again, there is going to be a number 1 here, and we don't have to write that. So when you have a situation where there is a plus 1 and a plus 1, what we do is we don't need the brackets anymore, so we write these without the brackets like this. Okay, in case you're wondering, hey, what happened to this plus and what happened to this minus? Remember in the video on polynomial addition and subtraction, not polynomial, I'm sorry, integer addition and subtraction, we said the rule that if the sign here is plus and if there's a minus, then the different signs will produce a subtraction right there. All right, so we have to group them. So let's start grouping them. Now we have an x squared term here and a x squared term here. Remember the rule that when you have these and there is a plus, if there is no number, if there's no sign, we assume that to be a plus. We know that the sign goes with the number. In the same way, there is no number here, so we can put a 1 there. The sign and the number go together. So plus 6, take away 1. And I'm hoping that by now you would have done the integer worksheet, which means plus 6, you're taking away a 1, that is 5. So we have 5x squared. Now that is for the x squared and x squared terms. What about the x and x terms? So we have the negative 4x and the adding of 5x here. So remember the sign goes with the number. The sign goes with the number. So we have negative 4 plus 5. And you know from your integer work there, this is going to be a 1. So it is going to be 1x. And finally, we have the numbers here. These are called the constant terms because there is no x attached to it. There is no variable. And also remember again, the sign goes with the number. The sign goes with the number. And you have negative 2, take away 8. And from your knowledge of integers, it's negative 10. And that is negative 10. All polynomial addition works exactly the same way as you see it. Complete this and try the problems that are assigned. See you in the next video.